Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. We have to today deal with the words of 60th day. But before that, let's talk about the questions that I had given you in set number or day 67th. If you remember the word quell, that is shant karna, pacify. Nettle, opposite to that word. Nettle means किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना. राइल किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना. assuage शांत करना, pacify, and anger somebody excessively. relish to enjoy, to indulge in something, किसी चीज का खूब आनंद उठाना. and subdue to control या किसी चीज को कंट्रोल में डालना. now quell opposite, rile भड़काना, provoke. nettle गुस्सा दिलाना, वही provoke के सेंस में. opposite assuage. relish enjoy करने, किसी चीज का खूब ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करना, enjoy करना. deny अपने आप को उससे वंचित रखना. and subdue कंट्रोल में रखना, and that is revel in, that is to enjoy a lot something. Now look at the statements. When you try to contain your hunger, contain has got two meanings. I told you, एक to be made up of this container जिससे बना हुआ है, the word container, and एक contain to control. अगर आप अपने hunger को control करते हो, your weight festers. Fester means किसी घाव आदि का सड़ जाना. कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. Weight cannot fester. Weight gets reduced. When someone luxuriates in pleasure, luxuriate in, revel in, relish, किसी चीज का खूब आनंद उठाना. Someone luxuriates in pleasure without earning themselves, बिना खुद कमाए सिर्फ खर्चा करना, enjoy करना. It rankles me, ये मेरे को गुस्सा दिलाता है. Very true. Rankle has got two meanings. One means fester, किसी घाव आदि का सड़ना, और एक nettle, provoke, rile, गुस्सा दिलाना. Some good words were there last day. Sorry. The doctor fears that the wound mortifies. Mortify also has got the second one meaning. शर्मिंदा करने के अलावे सड़ना किसी चीज का. अगर घाव सड़ा, the patient will wither. wither का मतलब वही मुरझाने के सेंस में, embarrass के सेंस में. wither has got two meanings. एक किसी फूल आदि का मुरझाना, shrink, and second meaning शर्मिंदा होना, वही मुरझाने के सेंस में. तो कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है ना. पेशेंट मुरझा जाएगा, शर्मिंदा होगा अगर घाव और सड़ा तो. Disconnection. I was discomfited, I was embarrassed when my friend suppurated. Suppurate भी घाव के सड़ने आदि के लिए, कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. Suppurate, mortify, fester, all have got the similar meaning. He is quickly exasperated, getting angry, when someone tries to mortify him for his food habit. बेटर होता his food habit के जगह पे someone tries to mortify him for his food habit. उसको शर्मिंदा करने की कोशिश करते हैं उसके खाने के आदत के चलते. एकदम सही है. Now today's words, there were good many words. Now look at this. Accord has got two meanings. एक meaning संधि होता है, the treaty, peace accord, and accord has got the second meaning, consensus among the people, आपसी सहमति. आपसी सहमति. Accord actually as a noun has got two meanings, सहमति, consensus, and the second meaning is treaty. Accord as a verb, it means to provide. यू शुड अकॉर्ड योर स्टडी द हाईएस्ट प्रियोरिटी, तुम्हें अपने स्टडी को सबसे ज्यादा महत्व देना होगा। अकॉर्ड एज ए वर्ब, एमिटी सेम मीनिंग में, अकॉर्ड एमिटी। एनिमेटेड वी हैव डन, फुल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, इंथुजियाज्म। एनिमेशन का एनिमेशन एक मीनिंग कार्टून फिल्म्स के लिए हम लोग एनिमेशन इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कैरिकेचर। एंड सेकेंड मीनिंग एनिमेशन इंथुजियाज्म, उत्साह। लुक एट दिस, द वर्ड एनोडाइन। इन दैट सेंस एनोडाइन that is, we have done previously also, that is not very interesting, dull, boring, anodyne. Ardent, that is animated, full of enthusiasm. Banal, dull, anodyne. Bland, anodyne, banal, dull, tasteless, boring. Cacophony is opposite to एमिटी एंड अकॉर्ड। सहमति का उल्टा आपस में असहमति। अब कैकोफोनी हैज गॉट टू मीनिंग्स। वंस इट कम्स टू म्यूजिक, द म्यूजिक इज जारिंग टू द ईयर, कान के लिए कर्कश लग रहा है, इसी से कैकोफोनस इसका वर्ड बना हुआ है, कैकोफोनस एडजेक्टिव। दैट इज dull, sorry, dull means not jarring, कान को हार्श लगने वाला, हार्श। कैकोफोनी उसी का नाउन। और अगर इसको आपसी सहमति के लिए बोले तो आपस में सहमति नहीं है, दुश्मनी है, डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन। कॉन्कॉर्ड, अकॉर्ड, एमिटी, आपस में सहमति। कंकरेंस ऑल्सो हैज गॉट द सिमिलर मीनिंग, सहमति। कंसेंसस, सहमति। The adjective of consensus is consensual. Consonance also means सहमति आपस में. So today you shall be getting some good words of आपसी सहमति and difference of opinion, असहमति. You shall be getting some good words. Discord, असहमति. Concord का opposite. Disharmony, same. Discordance, same, not agreeing together. Dissension also same meaning, asahmati, difference of opinion. Dissonance, dissonant, all these are similar in meaning. That is lack of harmony, आपसी सहमति, एकता की कमी है. Euphony, the adjective is euphonious. We have done this word. When the music is quite agreeable, all the notes are in consonance, साथ में सब सारे notes melodious, it is called euphonious. Dulcet, मधुर आवाज. Feisty, full of jest, मतलब उत्साह से भरा हुआ. Nice word it is. Harmony, अकॉर्ड, एमिटी, सहमति आपस में. हार्शनेस, हार्श, कठोरता, कान को अच्छा नहीं लगने वाला, कड़ा. इनकॉम्पैटिबिलिटी, कॉम्पैटिबल का उल्टा है, कॉम्पैटिबल मीन्स एग्रीइंग टुगेदर, साथ में एकदम एक दूसरे के साथ एकदम सहमति में. इनकॉम्पैटिबिलिटी, असहमति, नॉट एग्रीइंग टुगेदर. इंसिपिड, दैट इज ब्लैंड, बनल, डल, बोरिंग. Jangle also is opposite to what you call consonance, musical euphony, sorry, opposite to euphony. If the sound is quite dulcet, melodious, it is euphonious, and if it is jarring, कान को कठोर लग रहा है तो कर्कश लग रहा है तो it is jangle. Lethargic, आलसी, feisty का उल्टा, lively, feisty. Mellifluous, melodious. Again, melodiousness, same meaning, mellifluous का. Passionate, full of passion or energy about something. Peppery, the word has come from pepper, kali mirch, and peppery means sharp in taste, bitter but sharp in taste, pleasantly sharp, जो जीभ को अच्छा लगे. Bitter खराब लग सकता है, peppery is nice one. Piquancy also. Piquancy, the word has come from piquant, and piquant means sharp in taste. Piquancy, maybe piquant, yeah, piquant is there. So, piquant, if it is there, the same. Piquancy noun, piquant adjective, two words are there, piquantly adverb, and meaning is sharp in taste. Poignant also may be called the same way when it is sharply hitting. Poignant has got two meanings. If there is a poignant memory, it makes me feel sorrow or sad. कोई ऐसी याद जो मेरे को दुखी कर दे. And if poignant taste is there, it is sharp in taste. That is piquant. Pungent also sharp in taste. Taste बहुत उसका sharp है, कड़ा है. Savory also same meaning. Sharp is there. Spicy. You can say that all these words जिनका मैंने कहा sharp in taste, they are spicy. Spirited, full of spirit, उत्साह से भरा हुआ. Spiritless opposite. Stridency, कटुता, आपस में तालमेल की कमी है. That is disharmony, discord. That is stridency. Tangy taste, spicy. Tart also same meaning. Tangy, tart. Tedious, dull, boring. Bland, banal. Tune in melodious, you should say. Unenthusiastic, there is no enthusiasm. Vapid is dull, boring. Vapid, banal, bland. Now the words are repeating. I'm reminded that I have done these words previously also. Vivacious, full of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm से भरा हुआ. Jealous also, similar meaning. Vivacious. Vivacious noun is vivacity. Energetic, energy. Jealous, the noun is zeal. And jesty may be full of energy, may be sharp in taste, both. Now, look at the words that we had to deal with. Dissonance. The adjective is dissonant. First meaning of dissonance is lack of harmony among people. आपस में एकता की कमी है. ओपिनियन सिमिलर नहीं है. डिस्कॉर्ड, डिसेंशन, डिसहार्मनी, डिसऑर्डेंस एंड स्ट्राइडेंसी. द वर्ड इज प्रिंटिंग डिस्कॉर्डेंस should be there. Discordance. Printing mistake is there. Stridency, lack of harmony. And if harmony is there, harmony, consonance, consensus, concord, accord, amity, concurrence, similarity of the opinion. एकता है opinion में. Second meaning, lack of harmony among musical notes. Music में तालमेल नहीं है. Jangle, cacophony, harshness, incompatibility. Opposite, tune, melodiousness, euphony and mellifluousness. यहां एकदम tuneful. Piquant, piquancy, piquantly, adjective is there. This is noun, that one is adverb. First meaning, having a pleasantly sharp taste. Now look at this, sharp taste is there but pleasantly sharp. तीखा है बट अच्छा लग रहा है. Spicy, tangy, savory, peppery, pungent, zesty, sharp, tart, poignant. Poignant has got the two meanings, I told you. And taste खराब है, tasteless है तो banal, insipid, vapid, anodyne, tedious, bland, tasteless, dull. Second meaning is there, pleasant and exciting. Anything that is very pleasant and that is very exciting. Lively, vivacious, animated, passionate, jealous, ardent, feisty, and spirited, full of enthusiasm. Spiritless, lethargic, unenthusiastic, एकदम बिना उत्साह के. So, in today's list, you have got some very good words in with both the words, piquant also, and in this also, dissonance also. You have got some very good words that you should have in your mind and keep revising the words so that the words tend to stick to your mind. See you with our next set of words. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.